The terms Internet and World Wide Web are often used interchangeably, but they really mean different things. The Internet is the technical backbone that's used to exchange a wide variety of information in different formats. But the World Wide Web refers specifically to the websites and the interconnected web pages that can be browsed through the Internet. When you're using a web browser to view websites, what's really happening under the covers? Well, at home or school, you're sitting in front of a computer that's running the web browser software. This is called a client computer. Your client computer connects to the Internet through an Internet service provider, which is a computer that maintains parts of the network. Your web browser's request is sent over the network to a server computer. A server is a powerful machine that will process your request and send back a web page for your browser to display. So the terms Internet host and server are often used the same way, but there are some small differences. An Internet host is a physical computer with a network address. A host may be a large, powerful machine maintained by a hosting provider or companies who specialize in providing network infrastructure. But a host by itself doesn't really offer anything useful to others. It's just a shell waiting to be filled. A server, by contrast, is a useful service that can be used by others. The term server may be used to refer to the host on which a service runs, or it may refer just to the individual services that are running on that host. It's common for a host to provide more than one service, so you'd have multiple server programs running on the host. For example, the same host machine might include an email server, web server, and a file server inside. It's these internal servers that make a host useful. Have you ever heard the terms intranet or extranet? You may not know exactly what these terms mean, but chances are you've used these kind of networks. An intranet is a private network that can be accessed by members within a single organization only. This is the type of network that you have at home, school, or work. You can only access other computers on an intranet when you are connected to that specific network. An extranet is a private intranet that can be accessed from outside by some users. External users will connect to the intranet through a security firewall, and the external user may have limited permissions to access certain areas of the intranet. So you have quite a few useful services available to you on a network. You can read news, perform research, send email, and even have voice conversations. Communication with others is a key aspect of our information age. You can also send and receive files, stream movies and shows, or play online games. The possibilities are endless.